Hey guys, hope all is well. I kind of just wanted to drop in and show you guys the progress of my semi micro twist. I got inspired by my sister-in-law and by my daughter. I was like, let me put some micro twist in. This is the smallest I've ever done my twist, so I'm kind of nervous. Takedown day, which is probably going to be like within 2 to 3 months. I'm just showing you guys how I pre-section my hair. And as you can see, the back, I pre-braided it. And then after I'm done, I will be just twisting down. I like doing this method because it's just easier for me. I can do this on the go when I'm picking up my kids, or when I am just watching a movie. I don't necessarily have to be in front of a mirror in order to twist my hair down. This whole process probably took me, I don't even know. Today is, today is Wednesday the 20th, 2024. I started on the 18th around like probably 6 p.m. and then I finished on the 19th the next morning, probably around, okay, so I pre-braided and sectioned off the back, and then the top part I pre-sectioned but I didn't braid it. Okay, the next morning, probably around like maybe 8, 9, I pre-braided, and then I started to twist down. I had to stop because I have to pick up my kids. I restarted probably around like 3 and ended around 6 p.m. So technically, if I had a whole day without stopping, it would probably take me maybe 6 hours. I don't know. I really don't feel like calculating the amount of time it took me to do these twists. Well, this is the smallest I've ever done it. I think the last time I've done small anything on my hair was when I was in my teens, and my hair was a lot shorter and I did braids and not twists. So I am excited for these twists. Low-key, I'm kind of nervous because I don't want it to lock, or when you have your hair in for a little while, it gets matted, and these are extra small. I don't know. My hair doesn't lock easy, so I'm not sure why I'm thinking that. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy these twists, and I will keep you guys updated. And I will show you the different styles I'll end up doing with these twists. Hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for pictures of styles. And yeah, have a good day. Be blessed. Bye.